In this video, I'm going to show you how to see daily average spending in Origin Financial. Let's get started. To check your daily average spending, go to the Reports section from the main navigation menu. This area gives you access to Origin's advanced spending analytics and custom financial summaries. Once inside Reports, open the Spending Report or Expense Analysis tools where your transaction behavior is broken down visually. Next, choose the time frame you want to analyze. You can set it to the current month, the last 30 days, or any custom date range, depending on how you want to measure your spending average. After selecting the dates, apply any extra filters you need, such as account, category, or merchant, so the report focuses only on the transactions you want included. Origin will then generate charts and spending summaries based on that selected data. Review the total spending amount shown in the report and compare it against the number of days in your chosen period. This gives you a clear picture of your daily average spending and helps you understand how much money is leaving your accounts each day on average. You can also use the visual charts like bar graphs, donut reports, or spending flow diagrams to quickly spot whether your daily spending habits are staying consistent or increasing over time. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.